Darling, have you been dreaming of more pillow talk?
What the fuck is up, my bitches? If you are new here, hello, my name is Brittany, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the new Charlotte Tilbury
Pillow talk, pillow talk.
I know you've seen those commercials, watching all these YouTube videos. The new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wands in the shade Pillow Talk and number 2 Medium Pillow Talk. So I am a huge fan of these Beauty Light Wands. I think they're
so fucking gorgina, it's ridiculous.
So I already have the contour shade, and then I also have the Beauty Light Wand in the shade Pinkgasm. Because I love these so much, I was just thinking to myself like a week ago, I'm like,
Charlotte Tilbury really needs to expand this range because it's so bomb.
I feel like it's so universal, it's so flattering on my textured skin. That's like the main thing that I love about it, is it just plays so nicely on my skin. They blend out seamlessly and they just play nicely with other products. Like right now I have my face totally set with powder and I sprayed it with my setting spray. But these can still be layered on top of powders because sometimes I forget to put my creams on before just because, you know, old habits and everything. Like I used to only use powders and I'm just now like this year getting into layering the creams and liquids underneath powders, you know what I mean? So with these, it's like if I forget and I have like all my face done, I could still go over my complexion products with these and it still looks gorgina. So I do have the contour one on my contour right now, but I haven't opened these yet. I haven't swatched them. Just by judging how they looked in pictures and videos and stuff, I was expecting Pillow Talk, like the original one, to be like more of a silver type of highlighter. So I was expecting more of the highlighter vibes with the Pillow Talk. And then with the number 2, I was expecting this to be more of like a blusher on my skin tone. If you're wondering the skin tone that I am right now, I'm usually a light to medium skin tone with neutral undertones, but depending on the time of the year, I could be light to fair, I could be medium to tan. Like my skin tone ranges so much because give me all the vitamin D. But just for reference, if you guys are wondering what skin tone I am right now, I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade number 280. And then I'm just going to apply these on top of everything just to show you guys the shades on these. But first thing I want to talk about is the packaging. I know a lot of people don't love the packaging on these. I am a huge fan because I feel like they're very travel friendly. Not that we all travel very often anyways, but just in the case that you do, I feel like they're very travel friendly. I like that they have the sponge tip applicator because it just gives me a nice precise application. But the top does twist, so you can lock and unlock it. The very first time that I traveled, I didn't realize that it did that, and I left it unlocked, and it just got everywhere. But that was the shade Pinkgasm that I still have. So even though I wasted a ton of product, now I know that you can lock and unlock that, which was a huge thing for me. I really do love that. So other than that, I really enjoy the packaging. They are very, very similar. I'm sure you guys could see it on camera just how similar these are. So I feel like I could probably mix them up if I'm just grabbing them really quick. But if one is more targeted towards being a highlighter, I'll just store it differently so that way I won't have to worry about mixing them up. But I like the fact too that they're expanding on the range. I just feel like it's becoming so much more inclusive to other skin tones as well. So I do really enjoy that. I hope she does continue to expand on these Beauty Light ones because I feel like they're so beautiful. So let's get into just the demo. I'll talk about everything. Actually, let me talk about packaging really quick. So one thing that I always bitch about is the over excessive packaging that we get with like products being shipped from Ulta. I feel like Ulta is like the worst, where we get these huge ass boxes for smaller products. Charlotte Tilbury nailed it. Like very minimal packaging. I love that. It comes really nice. It comes like a little, almost like a present for Christmas. I love that. It's super cute. The aesthetic is so nice. She does a really nice job with the packaging. And then I had like a, what was it, like a shop runner, like trial free shipping or something. So I got these super quick. I got these within I think 4 days of when they shipped. But I had the like ultimate shopping experience with Charlotte Tilbury because I had already planned on getting both of these. And then I was seeing through Rakuten, they were having 10% cash back with Charlotte Tilbury's website. So I was like,
yes, bitch, definitely buying it today.
And then I saw on there, they had a discount code. If you spent $100, you got $20 off for like a first purchase type of thing. So I ended up picking up the Pillow Talk eyeliner in the shade Pillow Talk as well. That is what's on my eyes right now. I will show you guys a demo of that, just me applying it. I don't feel like this sticks very nicely in my waterline, but I feel like if you're applying it to your skin, almost like how Charlotte applies it like on her upper lid, the shade of this is beautiful. So stunning. I really like the shade of it, which is why I wanted to purchase this because this is like $27. It's so expensive, but it's very creamy, but the color of it is what is so unique. It's like a burgundy brownish tone. Like, I've never seen a shade look like this, so it's really beautiful. I think it's gonna be really nice to do like the feline flick like Charlotte does. So I picked this up. That's not really what I'm gonna focus on today, but I wanted to show you guys that I got this, and then I'll show you guys the demo. And then I also got a free feline flick little eyeliner. I think it was if you purchased over a certain amount, you got a free feline flick liner too. So I was like, yes, bitch, I got the ultimate shopping experience. So I got 4 products for less than $100, which Charlotte Tilbury is very expensive, okay?
She's fancy.
But I feel like they're another brand for me that is just unmatched. I think the quality of her products is amazing. So I'm more likely to purchase from the brand. I don't know, it's almost like Hourglass. Like, I just feel like there's nothing else quite like Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm into it. So let's just get into the demo aspect of this video. So I'm going to first start with the shade number 2 medium because I like to apply my cream blushes first. So I'm just going to open up the product here. I do like to flip it over, and then I like to just kind of squeeze until I see the product coming on the side here. So it looks more, let me give it a swatch on my hand. This looks almost like a copper tone type of blush. Let me just spread this out. This is totally my type of vibe for a blush. I love like copperish, terracotta, all those, like Becca Songbird, that's my #1 blush in my collection. This gives me that vibe. It's almost like a burnt orangish type of shade. I'm totally into that. And then just the luminosity, like I know you guys could see the luminosity that this gives. It looks so beautiful. So let me apply this. I'm just gonna apply this how I normally do. So I like to just do 2 little dots. Since this is new, I'm gonna apply just a little bit more. And that's how I apply this. I will lock it just so no other product gets out. Close it up. I'm going to use this brush because this has been my current favorite. The Sephora number 60 Pro Angle Diffuser Brush. I've been loving this so much, so I'm just going to dab this out on my cheeks now. And you're going to see like the sheen that this gives my skin. It's like you don't even need a face highlighter with these. That's one of my favorite things about these. So I feel like this is going to be more of like a natural flush tone, which I am all about that life. I love these types of shades. Oh my God. Look at that. How beautiful that sheen is. And keep in mind, I do have powder on my face. Like, see how it doesn't disturb anything? And it just gives you that youthful looking appearance to your skin. It's just so gorgina. So this is how I would typically apply it right here, and I'd be done. Like, good to go. So let me take the original Pillow Talk shade. So it's going to be this one here. This one's going to be a little bit lighter. We have it open. I am expecting this one to be lighter. So let's see what this shade looks like. I'm going to swatch both of these on my hand just so you guys can see. Yeah, this is definitely lighter. Way more of a highlighter shade, so that makes me very happy because I was kind of nervous seeing them in their packaging. They look so similar, but they're definitely different. So you have the lighter version. Pillow Talk is going to be over here. So more of like a true highlighter shade. And then this one over here is going to be the number 2. How fucking stunning are these? So I'm going to focus this on the high points of my face. Totally not necessary just because of how the glow is that I'm getting from that first Pillow Talk shade. But in the case you want to beam just a little bit more, I mean, why not, right? So I'm going to take my Luxie. This is my Luxie 512. This is like a contouring brush, but I like to use this for my cream highlights a lot of the time. Oh my God, just look at this. And again, keep in mind, I do have all of my powders on and they don't disturb anything. It's just so beautiful. Charlotte, you freaking go, Charlotte Tilbury. Just look how beautiful these are. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm already obsessed with these. But this is why I wanted to do this video. That's why I wanted to show these 2 shades, show you guys the differences between them. Again, they are different. I feel like these would work for so many different skin tones too. Oh my God, so beautiful. Do I think you need both of them? Absolutely not. I feel like if one suits your skin tone better than the other, do you, girl. I feel like if you're more fair skin tone, the light version will be good for more of like, maybe like a really natural blush, but I feel like, honestly, they're both so universal and so beautiful. I'm totally into both of these. I think they're both stunning. I think they give a gorgeous glow to the skin. The main thing that I wanted to show you guys today was just a demo of how beautiful these are and why I rave about them so much. I'm pretty positive I mentioned both of these in my Best in Beauty for 2019 video. I'm a huge fan of these contour wands, these beauty wands. whatever the hell you want to call them. I hope that she keeps adding onto this range because I don't need to say anything else. That is all I think you need to see is just how beautiful these are and how effortless these are to apply. Again, I do feel like the shades are definitely different, so if you feel that one suits your skin tone better than the other, I mean, I think the lighter is better for if you're like fair to light skin tone, but I still feel like any skin tone could really use both shades. It's just a matter of what you're looking for. So use your best judgment. I highly recommend shopping with Charlotte Tilbury's website. I had a really good experience. I got a really fast turnaround time, and I got high quality products, and I know these are expensive. They are $38, so I know they're a little spency, but for getting quality like this, for getting the beautiful glow, this is just, if you want a beautiful product for any type of skin, like mature skin, youthful looking skin, like you fucking name it, you could use this product. I think it's so beautiful. I highly recommend use Rakuten for your cash back. Always check online for discount codes, stuff like that. I don't know if these are available at Sephora quite yet, but I'm sure they're going to be coming. But just based off of just that application right there, I would highly recommend these. I think the formula is the exact same as the original, so if you're looking to expand on the shade range that you already have, like, I will own every single one of these because I think that they're stunning. They're just beautiful. I feel like I could use these year round. That's the other thing that I really like about these two shades here is I could use these, like, I'm not at my fairest with this complexion, but I still feel like these would work if I were lighter. They would still work for me as I was darker. Like, I could use these all year long, and I just feel like they're so just natural. It just gives you that natural looking glow. I know that there's another shade in the blush. There's like Peachgasm, I think it's called. I know there's a gold tone highlight one. This range is just so fucking nice. So I highly recommend it. Just based off of what I showed you today, I would definitely recommend these two shades. Just kind of use your best judgment on which one fits your skin tone best. But that's going to be it for today's video. I know it's short and sweet to the point, but I don't really think I need to harp on too much when I'm showing you guys how easy it is to apply. It's just, again, it's user-friendly, it's intuitive, it's so easy to use. I don't know what else to say except for good job, darling. Good job. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys are into this, not into this, if you guys like these quick just demo review type of videos, give it a thumbs up or down. That's how I know what you guys like to see. And other than that, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Peace!